I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Manchu. And I looked deeper and I spoke sweeter and I gave forgiveness I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you or die.
Well, welcome back. This week I am learning to weld. I am lying on the ground because it's insanely hard bashing the shit out of metal, and I'm actually exhausted. Here's my finished product. I think it's pretty outstanding. It's a dragonfly, if you couldn't tell. As first in line, I'm taking pole position.
Gotta keep hammering because that creates vibrations. You know, you'd always like to cut them first.
This is all happening, right?
Really professional, do not be alarmed.
So when did you start welding for art? Or did you ever weld as a career? No?
I started in 1978.
And what was your first project?
My very first project was shoe stands for Brubaker Shoes in Collingwood.
And what do people normally do?
They usually do the flower, and you guys were very first with the
dragonfly?
The dragonfly. There's lots more wine here at the bottom. Skilled, lovely, charming.
See?
You are employable. You're also
Charming.
Put people away. What do you call that?
Dancing thing doesn't work out. I'm going back to welding.
Like with the water, the whole deal?
Like that.
Man, that's impressive.
What a feeling.